Hey guys, it's Scotty here with another unboxing video for you today. Today we'll be looking at the 4-in-1 gaming kit by Blackweb from ASDA. It's part of our lineup of budget gaming setups. You may have seen our last video of the budget gaming setup from Poundland, coming in at just £26. In this kit from Blackweb, we've got a keyboard, a mouse pad and a headset, RGB, braided wires and with a mic. Now I didn't test the last set from the pound shop with the headsets because they only came with one joint 3.5mm jack plug. Unless you've got a laptop with that featured, it's pretty pointless for a PC. What I like about this set is got them split between sound and microphone, along with a splitter to join them back together. First out of the box is the keyboard. Followed by an instruction manual and a driver's disc. Followed by that we have the headset. The mouse pad, and finally the mouse. So first up, let's take a look at the mouse pad. It's not rubber backed, but it does have little dots on it, which feels quite grippy, and sewn edges. It's not a full-size desk mat. Then we have the Blackweb mouse. Nice tactile keys and a tactile scroll wheel. 2 side buttons. A Dpi switch with 5 programmable settings and a braided cable. That already feels miles better than the one from the Poundland. Rubber grips on the side. It feels quite nice in the hand. We'll have a look at the headset. Clip away microphone. Adjustable to fit most heads. It's got a nice bit of stitching around what is like a fake leather and rubber. I've got a mute mic button and a volume control. Braided cable again, along with the splitter, the 2 connectors. And finally, we're onto the keyboard. Again, USB for braided cable. feels a lot heavier than the one in my previous video from Poundland. The keys feel a lot better quality. Spacebar seems like it'll register from anywhere. An actual lighting control button. Full-size keyboard, includes a numpad and 5 programmable buttons. Now let's take a look at the RGB. So first of all, take a look at the keyboard. It only has green for the backlit lights, which is turned on from this key here. Using the page up and function and page down keys, we can adjust the brightness, and it can also be put into a pulse mode, which is also configurable for the speed. Six programmable keys, all programmable from the keyboard. And now we'll take a look at the mouse. This is fully customizable through the software on the Blackweb website. Full range of RGB colour, can change from pulse, speed, solid colour. 6 Dpi settings ranging from 400 Dpi to 3200, all configurable on the app. And the colour of the light will change, which is also configurable to let you know which one you're actually in. 2 programmable keys. Now let's see how it can game. So now let's take a look through the Blackweb software. Dpi settings, 6 of them with fully configurable colours on the mouse, so you know which DPI setting you're in. Configurable polling rate, double click settings, Windows pointer speed and mouse wheel. Macros, where you can even adjust the left and right click, the scroll wheel, the DPI switch and the side buttons. Lighting effects, and it can be synchronized with Blackweb keyboards, but unfortunately not this one. I don't know why they'd include that in a box set. A keyboard that cannot do the RGB that's synchronized with the mouse. Now it's time to try a little CSGO. As you can see here, pressing the space key from any location seems fine. Switching around through the DPI settings seems responsive. Actually feels relatively okay to game. And now we're going to test this out with a little bit of Destiny 2. Pressing the spacebar from anywhere seems to be fine. Switching through the DPI settings, that seems to be the lowest. Moving up, right up to the highest, and back down to the lowest. Headset sound quality seems to be pretty good. Yeah, I could game on this. Putting it up against the challenge of the Overdrive gaming keyboard in my last video, this is twice the price for this setup, and it definitely feels like twice the quality. Would I recommend this for £50 for somebody just getting started? Yes, yes I would. If you've made it through this video, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and enjoy some of our outtakes. Hey guys, Scotty here with another
That was a good one.
Hey guys, Scotty here with another unboxing video. You talked over that.
You talked over me.
Zip. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Go. Hey guys, Scotty here with another. I can't say it. Hey guys, it's Scotty here.
Sorry. Right, we're 1 minute 6 seconds in.
Oh, 1 minute 6 seconds in. Okay. God, I hate CSGO.